Hey guys, on this episode I'm going to show you how to build a raised bed from pallets. So I've seen other people, they take out all the boards and then they hammer all the nails back in or put fresh nails in, and that's just a real pain in the butt. And I found that most pallets will break, boards will break when you try to break them off. So this is my easy way that I've found to do this. If you're wondering why I limp around a little bit, I have actually a tear in my back right now, which doesn't feel too pleasant, but struggle through. Alright, so for the back side here, the cuts are actually beneath these boards. Normally there aren't boards, so many boards on the back. So I'm going to have to cut these off, so I'm going to cut them this way so I can use these boards for something else. Alright, so I got all 3 pallets cut, 3 sections each, so that means I have 9 sections. I only need 8, because I'm going to need 2 on each section to make a big square here for my first planter. You can check it out. So here are all the sections, and here's some of the scrap wood. Some of them have nails in them, which I'll just deal with later, but I spent more time on the first one, you can see, and these ones are actually a lot nicer, cleaner cuts, and then I just kind of quickly hammered it out. And I've done it with another pallet here. This one I can only divide into 2 sections, and I'll probably end up cutting off the top of that. And for the planter, this pallet planter, I'm going to be putting it right here. Yeah, we're gonna have to see how big it fits in. I've actually got some old crop here that's still kind of growing. You can even see it here. So you can see now I've got my planter all done. Now it's time to fill it with some leaves I've got laying around, some compost. I've got some compost in my bin that's been there composting pretty much the whole year, and also have some fresh compost inside I'm going to put in there, just layer it all in, start to fill this up. And then the top, probably 3/4 of it will be fresh soil from a dump truck, which I don't have yet, but eventually. So that's a compostable bag, so I can just throw that all in there. I might shred it up a bit so it breaks down a little bit quicker, but yeah, it's pretty much already breaking down. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you want to check out another one here, this is my cheap fence build, and this one over here is my vertical Shizukiban planter. Be sure to subscribe and have a great day.